So as you can see here, whenever I published this video, it had very few views, but then over time it kept growing. YouTube recommended the video and more people watched this, and it just blew up. Welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So in today's episode, I'm going to talk about how YouTube paid for my Samsung Galaxy tablet. So this is something that I really feel a lot of people who are brand new to YouTube, or maybe are thinking about doing YouTube, they might not see the actual potential that YouTube offers, especially if you're the type of person who loves gadgets and products and you want to get them for free effectively, and at the same time you could make money on that even later on. And so today I'm going to show you how this worked for this particular video, but also near the end of the video I'm going to talk about other ways how you could actually maximize the potential that YouTube offers. So I made this video back in November 8th, 2019, and I had just bought this tablet and I wanted to do an unboxing and review. Now this Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0 tablet, if you actually go to Samsung's website, they're currently selling it for $149.99. And if you got it with Samsung financing, you can get it for $119. Or you could go to a website like Amazon and get it for $117.99, which I still think is a great price for this. And so whenever I did buy this tablet, I did buy it at the $150 price. And so I did pay full price for this. However, ever since I published this video, YouTube has paid for my tablet and then some. And if we head over here to my video analytics, we can see that I've currently earned $239.58 just from this one video. And so that's basically $100+ extra money that I've gotten beyond what I've already paid for this tablet, and it continues to get views and make more money every single day. And so this is something that is extremely powerful, and it shows the absolutely limitless potential that YouTube offers. Because I think for a lot of people who might think about doing YouTube, they probably only see this as a hobby or something that's entertaining. But if you actually look at it from this perspective, where if you make a video that people enjoy, they share, they like, then this is the result of what could happen. And this is something that, won't happen with every single video. So as you can see here, whenever I published this video, it had very few views. But then over time, it kept growing. YouTube recommended the video and more people watched this, and it just blew up. Now, this is a case where I feel like if you are starting out, you might think like my video can never get something like this, or maybe you're not sure if it would be even worth making the video. But I'm here to tell you that within YouTube and other platforms similar to this, that the potential is definitely here. And then at the same time, if there's something that you're really excited about, you wanted to share, go ahead and do it. Because in this case, I did not even plan on making this video. I just got the tablet. It was a great price and I was really excited about it. So I decided to shoot this video, and it wasn't even the best video because whenever I actually did the review, I forgot my tripod and it's a very shaky video. But even despite all of those things, it's still gotten a lot of views, and it continues to get views every single day. And then the money that I've earned here, this is just from YouTube ads. This does not include any money that I make from affiliate marketing, which I do have an affiliate link for this tablet for anybody who wants to buy this and support my channel. And at the same time, you're actually gaining subscribers and viewers to your channel, so you are growing your community, and so they might watch other videos that you have, earning you more money. And if you do have other businesses behind your YouTube brand where you're selling other products and services, well, you've just potentially made even more money. And that's just off of one video. And so that is really why I feel YouTube has such huge potential. And in this case, just from somebody who loves gadgets and tech, I got this paid for. So basically I paid $0 for this in the end, and I made extra money, and I'll continue to make more money from this. And so this is just probably one of the best examples I could show you. But what about some other videos that didn't quite get this whole quote unquote viral sensation that I got for my channel? Well, it all comes back to, the time factor, okay? And so not all your videos are gonna like hit a home run like this one did. But that doesn't mean that you can't get other products paid for as well. So if you look at this video, I did an unboxing review of his VR headset. It's an Evo VR. And at the time I bought this, it was like $19 or $20, but now you could probably get this for $10 or less. But as you can see here, I've earned $125.83 from this. And so if you actually look at that from, a revenue ROI point of view, I've made 10 times more than what I paid for it. And as I stated a little bit earlier, that doesn't include any other revenue that I got from affiliate or growing my community or anything else, because that is the long-term power that YouTube offers. And this is something that I think a lot of people should really take into consideration. If you are thinking about YouTube, just think about it more than just doing a hobby or entertainment. Think of it as a business potential, even though you might not think of doing this as a business, or think of it as like a side income, if that's something that works better for you. I don't think anybody would complain about putting up a video on something that you enjoy, and then from that, you could earn some side income, or maybe if you're going to be doing this more seriously, a full-time income just from reviewing products and software that you enjoy. And so now I'm going to show you how you could actually use some of this to expand the potential earnings even further. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so if you run into a situation like I did, where you have a video that has done well and it's definitely already paid itself off, then you might think about making more videos on that same product, which is exactly what I've done. So I made another video here about the gaming aspects of the tablet. Then I did another one here about the camera. And then finally I did another one on a very popular game, PUBG. And so even though these other videos might not have the same type of views and earnings as the original, over time, very similar to this VR video, it all adds up. And all those other things that I mentioned a little bit earlier, how a single video could really help your earnings potential for the long term, each one of these videos would do the same. And at the same time, if people actually run into this video and they liked it, more than likely YouTube's going to recommend other similar videos on your channel, which all helps you in the long run. And all of these videos, something very similar happened to them as well. They didn't get many views at the beginning, but now they're really moving up in the views. And as long as this tablet is still being searched by people on YouTube, then the likelihood that I'll get more views, subscribers, and everything else that comes with it from all these other channels is higher as well. And at the same time, other things you could do is, if you're finding that a lot of people like your product or software reviews, then you could also create a playlist, which I've done here. I have a gear playlist, and I'm continually adding to it. And this is how I'm really trying to maximize the potential of YouTube, not only from an earnings point of view, but also growing a community. So this is the great thing about YouTube and other platforms similar to it. If you look at it as a way to grow your community, grow your brand, then in my opinion, there's simply not a better platform out there. And if you're thinking about the time that it takes, I mean, just imagine like this video that I created. It took me about, I would say, like an hour or an hour 30 minutes total to create the video, edit it, and then publish this on YouTube. And so for about an hour and 30 minutes of work, I've earned about $240, and it'll make even more money. And if I added up all the earnings from other places, then it's made more than this. And so that is it for this particular video. I just wanted to show you how YouTube effectively paid for my tablet and other products that I've reviewed on my channel, and how this could really be a great place for you to not only earn, but also grow your brand, your business, or your side hustle. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.